Hi! In this video, you will learn more about addition and subtraction of similar and dissimilar fractions. Let us first recall what is the meaning of fractions. They represent a part of a whole. Fractions have kinds. Similar fractions. They refer to fractions with the same denominators. Dissimilar fractions refer to fractions with different denominators. Proper fractions have smaller numerators compared to the denominators. Improper fractions refer to fractions with bigger numerators compared to the denominators. In this example, you will see 7 over 7, and that would mean it's equal to 1 because improper fractions have the value of 1 or greater than 1. Fractions can also be a combination of a whole number and a fraction, and that would mean a mixed number or fraction. Now, there is also a need for us to recall on how to simplify fractions because we need to simplify our answer whenever necessary. Example, 7 over 7 or 1, 5 over 5 or 1. This would mean that a number divided by itself is equal to 1. Another example is 4 over 10. Now think of the GCF of 4 and 10. So that is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So the simplest form of 4 over 10 is 2/5. Now let's add similar fractions. How? Here. 7 plus 2 equals 9 over the common denominator. The rule here is only to add the numerators and copy the common denominator. Is the answer in the simplest form? No. Find the GCF of 9 and 12, and that is 3. Divide. The answer is 3 over 4. And that's it. 3 over 4. What about subtraction of similar fractions? In this example, you will only subtract the numerators. So you got 5 over 12. Is the answer in the simplest form? Yes, because the only common factor of 5 and 12 is 1. Remember that. Now another example is 10 minus 4 equals 6. Copy the common denominator. You have 6 over 15. Is the answer in the simplest? No. So find the GCF of 6 and 15. And that is 3. Divide, you got 2 over 5. And that's the final answer. How do you add dissimilar fractions? Example, 3/4 plus 3/5. First rule, change them to similar fractions. How? Find the LCD. So the LCD is 20. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 times 3 equals 15. So you have here 15 over 20. 20 divided by 5 equals 4 times 3 equals 12. Now they are similar fractions, so just add the numerators. 15 plus 12 equals 27 over the common denominator, which is 20. Since the answer is an improper fraction, you need to change it into a mixed number. So 1 and 7 over 20. Now let's subtract dissimilar fractions. Subtract 1/3 from 1/2. So 1/2 minus 1/3 equals, again, apply the same rule. Change them to similar fractions. Find the LCD. Just multiply 2 times 3 here in this case. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 times 1 equals 3 as the numerator of 3 over 6. Next, 6 divided by 3 equals to 2 times 1 equals 2. So we have here 2 over 6. Now apply the rule in subtracting similar fractions. 3 minus 2 equals 1. The final answer, 1 over 6. Now let's try this example. What is the sum of 8 over 12 and 5 over 8? Now determine if the fractions are similar or dissimilar. Alright, you are correct. These are dissimilar fractions. Now let's look for the LCD to change them to similar fractions. Now the LCD here is 24. Correct? Yes. So let's try to explain. 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. So we have here 16 over 24. Next, 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3 times 5, and that's 15. Apply the rule in adding similar fractions. So 16 plus 15 is equal to 31 over the common denominator, 24. Now, since this is an improper fraction, change it to mixed fraction or mixed number. So the final answer would be 1 and 7 over 24. Now another example. What is the sum of 12 over 20 and 6 over 20? Are the fractions similar? Yes. Now apply the rule. Just add the numerators. 12 plus 6 equals 18. Copy the common denominator. Is the fraction in the simplest? No. So you have to find the GCF of 18 and 20, and that is 2. So divide. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10, as you can see in the given solution. Another example, subtract 1/2 from 4/5. So 4/5 minus 1/2. Are the fractions dissimilar? Yes, you are correct again. Therefore, find the LCD. And the LCD here is 10. So let's explain. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. So we have here 8 over 10. Next, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So you have here 5 over 10. Apply the rule. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Copy the common denominator, 10. Is it in the simplest? Yes, it is. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.